Hello, welcome to SMTA Guadalajara. I'm Philip Stoden. I am on the Quiptech booth and I'm joined by Aaron from WIT. Aaron,
hello.
Thanks so much for talking to me. Pleasure to chat to you. Let's start by an introduction to WIT. It's a Japanese company and you have an inspection solution that is basically inspecting the inspector.
That's correct.
Tell me about that.
So we like to tout it as a verification tool or a quality improvement tool for your AOI system. As you may already know, the AOI system's goal, 0 escapes, 0 defects. So my system allows the operator to see what the AOI said as well as a live camera image. So the trained operator can then make a good trained judgment on the call. Hopefully that data is then fed back to the AOI programmer. He can improve his process all the way down the line. So less board handling, you're reducing the risk of getting a true defect out into the market. So that's the ultimate goal.
Yeah, and how long has the product been available here in Mexico?
In Mexico, well, we're worldwide, and the product's been available since around 2004.
Okay.
So, and we have a large install base in the Asian market as well as in the US. Install base here is basically with the Japanese manufacturers, Japanese automotives.
Yeah, I know you're seeing, because we're seeing more Asian companies come into Mexico, does that create more opportunity here for you?
Yes, of course, and it's growing as we speak. As as the relationship with China and all of those things change, there are more and more manufacturers pulling out and coming here.
Yeah.
So, of course, it helps us grow as well.
Yeah, and when you look at the Mexican market, it's kind of a unique market. You need to have a really good local partner here that can do service and support. Tell me how important Quiptech has been to the development of your business here and servicing the market with your product.
So right now I have an office in Mexico, individual staffed, but we have a rep network here that covers the majority of Mexico. Quiptech does that for me, provides service. It's been indispensable in helping us get brand awareness out there and supporting our equipment with our support, of course.
Yeah, and the nice thing about a good rep is they're in front of the customer every day. If it's not for your products, it's for something else.
That's right.
They really understand what their needs are, and they can identify what you need as well.
That's exactly right. Each market, as we discussed a little bit, I have a pretty large territory, and each market is different.
Yeah.
And customer mindset is different. The way they look at things, the way they do their processes even, and having someone local that understands that is invaluable.
Fantastic. Aaron, thanks so much for your time. Pleasure to chat.
Thank you very much.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.